Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Ben Goodbrand. I've had my F100 Functional Trainer for about 6 months now, so I've really gotten to know it really well, so much so that I think I'm in a position now to be able to tell you all of the good things, all of the bad things, and if you should be buying one of these functional trainers for your home gym. Now, even if you're not considering buying this exact model, keep watching to the end because a lot of the functional trainers share some common features, and I think you'll get a lot out of this review even if you're looking at buying another model. Anyway, let's have a quick recap of all of the features of the Armortech F100. Obviously, it's got a squat rack. It's got a multi-grip pull-up bar. It's got dual cables with 2 by 100 kilogram or 220 pound weight stacks. Now, there's a sciencey thing to do with the way the pulleys are set up, which means that there's about a 1.75 to 1 reduction in that weight. So it means that for the 100 kilos or 220 pounds, if you're using that maximum weight per side, you're actually only getting about 57 kilograms or 125 pounds. Now, if someone can explain to me exactly how that works, I'd love to hear it, so drop me a comment. Now, be careful when you're buying too. So many of the functional trainers that I saw when I was buying this one didn't have that particular information about the reduction due to the pulley system in the description. This one didn't have that as well. I only found out after I rang the company I was buying it from and found out that way. So make sure you do your research before you buy if that's going to be an issue for you. There's a full complement of cable attachments. It's got a Smith machine for all those Smith machine-y exercises. It's got a landmine or a torsinator attachment. And there's also space to store your weight plates and your barbell. Here are 5 annoying things about the F100. The cables can get snagged when doing cable flies, and one cable is about 3 or 4 inches longer than the other. The knurling on the pull-up bar is very harsh, and I've got very soft hands. I really don't like the design of these J-hooks. As you can see, the powder coating is chipping off from every time I unrack and re-rack the bar. The holes for adjusting the J-hooks are really widely spaced, meaning that sometimes it's just too high or just too low. Because I've got my functional trainer stored right up against this wall, these pins for storing your weight plates, completely useless for me. And the mirror that I've got behind my functional trainer to check on my form when I'm doing things like squats is blocked by all the cable attachments that hang on the back. Now here are 5 good things about the F100. Being an all-in-one unit, there's no need to take up extra space and add extra cost by having a Smith machine or a cable machine or a squat rack all separate. There are heaps of anchor points for resistance bands, suspension trainer, or battle ropes. A pleasant surprise was it was much easier to assemble than I expected. Now, if you want to see the unboxing and assembly of the F100, click on the screen right now. This unit comes with all the attachments you could ever need. Rope, knee pad for lat pull downs, dip bars, V-bar, close grip bar, wide grip bar, and D handles. And one of my favorite things about the F100 is it comes with these pins so that you can load extra plates onto the cable stack if that 100 kilograms isn't quite enough. So what are my final thoughts on the Armortech F100? Should you buy it or should you not? Well, I would say if it's within your price range, you should definitely get this for your home gym. So I really hope that this video has helped you if you're considering buying a functional trainer, whether it's the Armortech F100 or another model. If you got value out of today's video, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you see every time that I release a new video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again next time.